Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the temperature unit in the Plains Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then at the custom settings section, click on the weather button. And within this section, look for the temperature button and click on that. And here, as you can see, there are two units that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.